Mama. Mama. Dolu. একটু বোকা না খেলে হয় না এটা Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So welcome to another fashion haul from Amazon. I hope you guys have seen the Amazon beauty haul which I posted yesterday. So if you haven't checked it out, after this video go ahead and check it out, okay? So I was actually trying out the outfits and I saw this background looks beautiful, also the lighting looks good, so I thought let's do it here only. And I'm actually sitting in like on the floor and I've just turned on the ring light and I'm shooting it from my phone camera, front camera. Okay, so I hope you guys will like the quality of the video. I think it looks good to me. अगर आपको ये lighting पसंद आता है, ये background पसंद आता है, तो मैं कुछ वीडियो ऐसे में भी कर सकती हूँ if you guys want. So let's actually dive into the haul and let me show you what are the products I have bought from Amazon. So let's start with this one. It is a beautiful glitter clutch. It is a multi glitter clutch as you can see, and it also has a like a pearl detail, not a pearl detail, it's a stone detail at the top. And when you open this you get, it's a good space I would say. They also come with a chain, so you can carry it on your hand or you can just carry it with the chain itself. I really like this. The quality is superb. They do have different colors and they do also have different designs in this. Now the price I paid for this was 389 and it was around rupees 3000 or 2000 something like that, but there was a huge offer so I got this. So next I've got few clips from this brand called Chic Shopaholics, and I've bought 4 of them, so let me just quickly show you one by one. So this is how the first one looks like. Next one is this infinity kind of a thing, and the next 2 are like this, the star and this 2 circle. So let's move on to the clothing and let's start with the one I'm wearing. It's a beautiful black polka dress. I love this so much. It is georgette. It's extremely comfortable and very soft. It's not like a hard georgette or something like that. It is a cold shoulder dress. It does have this lace detail at the top. I really love this. The price I paid for this was rupees 400 something, 489 maybe, and I really like it. I think you can definitely give this one a try, and the size I've got is M and it fits me perfectly. I love this dress so much. Next I have this beautiful mustard yellow dress. Now this is a very nice sleeveless dress, and the only thing I did not like is the sleeve of this. It's too tight for me. I got the size M in this, so if you are in my size you can go for L. And it's a like a baggy kind of a dress, so it comes with its own, what do you say, belt. So you have to tie this at this waist, and yeah, it looks very pretty. I love the color, but the size is the problem, but still I can wear it for the videos. And the quality is again very soft and very good. So 349, I paid 349 for this. I think it's totally worth it, so you can give this one a try. I don't think they do have colors in this, but you can definitely check that out. Okay, all right, next up I have bought this super gorgeous black top with this mesh detail at the hand. Now this quality, I was so scared that this quality will be bad, but honestly the quality is amazing. It is super soft. Also the mesh is very soft. I thought this will be very hard, but as you can see it's very soft, so I personally loved it. Also they have different colors, so black was like, I need that, and in future I will definitely buy some different colors. So I actually paid I think 300 to 400 for this one, and it's totally worth it. I love the quality and it does not feel uncomfortable with the mesh on. It feels very comfortable and it's super soft, so it also hugs my skin very well. And I got the size M again on this, so I am going to mention the exact price right here and also the link to buy in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Okay, next I have bought 2 crop tops. So this is the first one. It is a beautiful pink crop top. It's like a basic one. These are the things I can wear like comfortably on camera, but in off camera I personally prefer something to cover up my arms so that I don't get tan, and also I don't like to show my tummy every time. So that is why I bought crop tops for videos only. So this was for rupees, I think 249 or something like that. I don't remember the price, exact price. मेरा बच्चा है ये. So they do have tons of shades, so if you want you can go for a bright shade or basic black or white, and I got the pink one which looks very pretty on me. I love it. Next up, I have this beautiful black crop top which has detail at the top and also at the bottom. This material is not cotton, but I have like so many dresses and so many crop tops of this material. I don't know what they say about this. It's stretchable. The price I paid for this is $2.99. They have tons of colors, and I got the black one. As you know, I love black, so this looks very beautiful, and I'm gonna get some different colors from this particular crop top. Alright, coming to the last product I have bought from Amazon this time is a sari. And can you imagine getting a sari from Amazon? I was like, no, the quality will be bad. And dude, the quality, it feels so soft on the skin. This is actually a mesh sari, and it has this beautiful detail. As you can see, I love this. It's so soft and so nice on the skin. I thought this will definitely feel on the skin, and I will be like itching all over, but it doesn't. It feels very, very soft, no itchy, no scratching at all. Now they do have different colors in this as well, but as you know, I love black, so I thought of getting the black one, and it is a very gorgeous sari. I paid $5.99 for this. Now Amazon has amazing sari deals, so you can definitely check it out. They do come with, the sari does come with the blouse. So this is the blouse. Now the blouse quality I am not a big fan of because the zari is very harsh. I am not going to make a blouse using this, definitely, and also I don't like the print. But yeah, the zari is very harsh on the skin. I don't like the blouse piece, but the sari is beautiful, and you can definitely give this one a try, you guys. I love it. Alright, you guys, that was my Amazon fashion haul for this month. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know which piece you like the most in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye.